Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 English class. Students, now come to book page number 112. Today we will make sentences by using this. Students, look here. What's this? Bun. Now we will make here the sentence of this. This is a bun. This is a bun. This is a bun. This is a bun. Now next one is mop. This is a mop. This is used for near thing. This किसके लिए यूज़ होता है? जो हमारे चीज़ करीब होती है उसके लिए क्या यूज़ होता है? दिस इज़ अ mop. This is a mop. This is a mop. Now next one is bin. This is a bin. This is a bin. This is a bin. This is a bin. Now last one is box. This is a 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 bun. This is a mop. This is a bin. This is a box. Now kids, it's your turn. Complete book page number 112. Allah Hafiz.